it's Ashley from Sweet Dreams Bake Shop. Today I'm going to be showing you a bunch of different cookies that I actually made all in the same day, but I'm going to break them up into a few different videos because I know for myself I don't want to go searching through the video to find the cookie that I would like to make. So I hope you enjoy this series. Today we are going to be making our painted rose pattern bunny cookie. So let's get piping.
There are so many different things that you can do with the same shape cookie cutter, and I know that you recognize this little guy because we've used him before. What I'm doing here is I am piping a border, and notice that I'm really doing a very small border, and I'm leaving about a 1/4 inch around the whole thing. This is because we're going to do a loopy border later on. Time to flood with a little bit of watered down piping icing. I am still very much working on the quality of my videos and making sure that the angles are appropriate so you can see what I'm actually doing. And I don't know if you guys recognize this, but I did get a holder that can actually hold my phone. Yes, I'm recording from my phone, and it can see everything from a bird's eye view now at least. So I hope that helps. Here I am painting on a red color which I mixed with a lot of vodka. You want to make sure that you use a lot of vodka so that the color isn't too dark. If I did any less vodka, then it would be very dark, and when it dries you would barely be able to see what it was. It would just kind of look like blackish red blobs. These are going to be the roses for our pattern, but you really don't need to be perfect with this, and in fact you don't want circles, you want things that look a little bit misshapen. The reason that you need the edible dye to be mixed with the vodka is so that it evaporates very quickly and it dries properly. If we don't have the vodka, it just ends up being sticky edible dye on top. Going in with a thin brush, I'm painting on the leaves. Now you don't have to do this part. It actually would look a little bit more modern if you didn't do the green part, but I wanted it to look a little bit more vintagey looking. Now it's time to start creating the detail for your flowers. So what you want to do is you want to take a really thin brush, dip it in some burgundy edible food dye, and a little bit of vodka this time, not too much because you do want the color to be fairly dark. This part can be a little intimidating because you might feel like I can't draw the flower so that it looks like that. But all you really need to do is you need to do little half circles and just kind of haphazardly place them. Cooking is all about making something your own. So although your flowers might not look exactly like my flowers, it will still convey the same concept. With this particular technique, especially if you're just starting out, you want to make sure that your cookie is fully dry. You can even wait overnight to make sure that no matter what happens to it, you're not going to puncture a hole into your icing. I've done that many times. Here we are creating a loop border all the way around our bunny, and you really want to show your bunny no fear, because you know what, if you make a mistake, this is the great part. Because you're on naked cookie right now, you can just scrape it off with your cookie scribe, no problem. I envision this cookie sitting on a beautiful plate with tons of other cookies that are also painted with maybe brushed royal icing on it and lots of edible pearls. This cookie is in the shape of a bunny, so of course I'm probably going to utilize this for Easter, but you could really use this technique and this design for anything you please. I think it would look really, really awesome on a square cookie and then maybe somebody's name on top. That would look really pretty. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to my YouTube channel so you can be part of the Sweetie fam. Right now I'm uploading daily at 6 o'clock p.m. Pacific Standard Time. Bye!